Do you find it difficult to talk about your job in English? Do you pause, translate, and feel unsure of the right words? Don't worry. In this episode, we will make it easy. Today, you will learn simple sentences to describe what you do, where you work, and how you feel about your job, just like native speakers do. So don't translate, don't overthink. Just relax, listen, and speak with us. Let's talk about your job in English. Ready? Let's begin. English in daily life. Learn how to talk about your job in English. Speakers, Tom and Emma.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to English Bridge, the podcast that helps you speak English with confidence in real life. I'm Tom.
And I'm Emma. Today we are talking about a very common topic: how to talk about your job in English.
You will learn useful vocabulary and simple phrases to describe what you do, where you work, and what your job is like.
Segment 1. Asking about work. Let's start with a very common question. What do you do?
It means, what is your job?
You can answer, I am a teacher. I am a driver. I am a student. I work in a hospital. I work at a bank.
Nice, simple, and natural. Segment 2. Describing your work.
After you say your job, you can describe what you do. I help customers. I teach children. I designed websites. I fix cars. I cook food.
These short sentences make your English smoother and more interesting.
Segment 3. Talking about work schedule.
Another useful topic is your work schedule. You can say, I work full-time. I work part-time. I work from Monday to Friday. I sometimes work weekends. I start at 9 a.m. I finish at 5 p.m.
Try to connect times and days. That's real English.
Segment 4. Talking about your workplace. Where do you work? You can describe the place. I work in an office. I work outdoors. I work in a shop. I work online from home.
And you can add more details. It's a busy place. It's quiet. I like my coworkers.
Segment 5. Expressing your feelings about work. People also love to know how you feel about your job. I like my job. It's interesting. It's a bit stressful. I learn new things every day. The hours are long, but the people are nice.
Positive, honest, and simple. Great for everyday conversation.
Segment 6. Mini conversation practice.
Let's show a short example. Tom, what do you do?
I am a podcast host. I teach people English. I work from Monday to Friday. I usually work in a studio. I enjoy my job because I help learners around the world.
That sounds great. Now, listeners, you can try. Fill in the gaps. I am a, I work at, or in, I start at, and finish at. I like my job because.
You can say it out loud. Speak with us. Segment 7. Useful Phrases Review.
Here are the key phrases from today. What do you do? I am a. I work in or at. I help or I make. I teach. I work full-time or part-time. I start at or I finish at. I like my job because.
Outro.
We hope today's episode helps you speak more confidently about your job in English.
You can listen again and shadow the phrases to practice more.
Thank you for joining us on English Bridge.
Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep enjoying English in your daily life.
See you next time!